Controlling overhead costs is a key priority for every CFO. With increasing operational expenses, having a clear, data-driven approach to cost management is essential. This is where Power BI comes in place. For example, this CFO's overhead dashboard can help finance teams analyze, monitor, and optimize overhead expenses in real time. At the top, we have 6 key financial indicators: salaries and benefits, rent, advertising, insurance, vehicle, and utilities. Each metric is color-coded, green for stable or reduced costs and red for areas that need attention, allowing quick identification of trends. The overhead cost trend chart on the left provides a month-over-month breakdown of expenses, highlighting patterns and opportunities for savings. This helps CFOs adjust budgets proactively. On the right side, the waterfall chart offers a detailed overhead cost distribution analysis. Categories like salaries and benefits, other expenses, rent expenses, and advertising are visualized to show their impact on total overhead cost. By combining real-time monitoring, trend analysis, and detailed breakdowns, this dashboard empowers CFOs to manage overhead cost effectively, cut unnecessary expenses, and improve profitability. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.